This tutorial review will show you how to stream Netflix on your Discord. It's super easy and quick process to stream your Netflix on your Discord. So first of all, open your Netflix. You can open it on browser. Also, you can open it in app. So open Netflix and sign into your Netflix account, and then go to your Discord and go to the server where you want to stream the Netflix, and then join a voice channel, and then you have to click on share your screen. Now all you have to need, just select the tab or window where you are watching your Netflix. In my case, I'm selecting Chrome tab, and if you want to share your Netflix audio also, then check this option and click on share, and then your Netflix will be streamed on your Discord. And to stop the streaming, click on this cross icon, and this is how we can stream Netflix on Discord. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.